Good afternoon, everyone. Now today I'm making a stuffed calamari recipe. I have my calamari that's been cleaned and ready to stuff. I have my little tentacles that I chopped up that's ready to go into the filling. Here I've got about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, plus another maybe 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of Romano cheese. And to this I'm going to add my parsley. And then I'm going to add my garlic that I've chopped up pretty finely. I'm not that great at it, so try to get as small as you can. I'm going to add the tentacles. And this is going to serve as the filling for my stuffed calamari. And then I'm going to cook it up in a nice tomato sauce. Delicious. They're going to cook on the stovetop for about half an hour. They're going to be great. So my mixture was a little dry, so I added 1 more egg and some olive oil. And now it's nice and moist. And now I'm going to fill the inside of each of these calamari, and I'm going to secure them with a toothpick. So now I'm making my sauce for my calamari. I've got some garlic, some olive oil, some red pepper flakes to be a little spicy. And then I'm going to put in some passata. And once that comes to a boil, I'm going to put the calamari in there. Cook it with a covered. Cook it for about half an hour. So there you go. Here is my lovely calamari that I stuffed with the mixture. I, used a spoon, a small spoon. Then I kind of shoved it in a little bit with my finger. And then I closed it with a toothpick. Try to leave a little space at the top so that when they cook, they won't explode. So about 1/2 inch or so at the top. And they're gonna go into my yummy sauce in a minute. Okay, here you go. They're all in now. They're gonna cook up in there. I put a cover. That's how they're gonna be for a little while, half an hour.